Hi everybody, this is Rots with Rots Reviews, and today we are trying the new authentic New Yorker range, and this is from Domino's Pizza Australia. Alright, so this is the largest pizza that they have. The only other size pizza that they have at Domino's is 12 inches, and this is 16 inches. And we will open the box here and take a look. There's supposed to be 8 large slices that you should be able to fold and eat like a New York style pizza. Let's have a look here. This is pepperoni, sausage, and mushrooms, and it looks like they've changed the sausage to the real pork sausage crumbles that they use in the U.S. Usually here in Australia, the sausage, or the Italian sausage, is little tube shaped sausages cut out like pepperonis, so they look like pepperonis a little bit. So it looks pretty good, but we haven't tried it yet. You can see the pizza in all its glory. Now, these slices really aren't New York size slices. Some slices are big, and some aren't so big. This slice, not foldable. This slice may be foldable. But we want to look at how thin the crust is. And if this is really a true thin crust New York style pizza, it still looks pretty thick. Is it foldable? Can you do the fold? Yes, you can do the fold with a big enough piece. And there are some slices in here that are big enough to fold. So what we'll do is we'll take a bite, and we'll let you know how the crust is. If you look on the bottom, it looks like the crust is pre-prepared. It doesn't look like it's hand tossed, or it doesn't look like it's traditionally hand tossed. Usually the New York crust is thinner, and usually it's not a thick crust, but let's go in and take a bite. Alright, this is pretty good. There's a lot of sauce. The sausages are pork sausage crumbles. And it's not like the normal Italian sausage that they put on Domino's pizzas here in Australia. It's more like it's the same as the pork sausage crumbles that they use in the United States. So also the pepperonis taste the same. The pizza sauce tastes the same as well. The crust is chewy on the bottom. It looks like it's probably a dough patty that's been, rolled out, docked, and then rolled with the docking roller. And here you go. This is the authentic New Yorker style Domino's pizza, brand new at Domino's Pizza here in Australia. Don't know how long it's going to be around, or if this suits the Aussie taste or not, but it tastes like a Domino's pizza in the US, except for the crust. The crust in the US Domino's pizza is usually very fluffy, a lot more proofed, and puffs up when it's baked. This is kind of a thinner crust, but it's still not as thin as a New York style pizza. New York style thin crust is thin crust, very flexible, light, chewy, and this is pretty doughy. You can see how thick the crust is at the bottom, and the taste is pretty good.
Alright, the price on this is $17.95 Australian or $13.82 US dollars. And basically this is just a larger hand-tossed Domino's pizza. There's nothing New York about it at all.
Alright, well, this is Rots with Rots Reviews, and this is Domino's Pizzas, Domino's Australia, authentic New York style pizza.